Hello everyone and welcome back to the Decentralized Bull Channel. Today we are going to take a look at the Bitcoin price right now, slightly going down at around $106,000 right now. My trades are unfortunately also going a little bit down, still good in the profits here on my Bitcoin trade. Vechain is going down, so I might add some more to this position just in this video, so make sure to stay tuned until the end. With that being said, my unit trade down $3,472. My Ethereum trade as well went from $10,000 in profits down to 8,600. But I'm not worried at all because still we have this pattern that is probably going to play out, the inverse head and shoulders pattern on Bitcoin, which will bring us to a price target of $141,000. We just have to go above this resistance line right here, which is at $112,000, where was the previous all-time high. And now, where would I open a trade? I would definitely try to open a trade here because we have some kind of a bull flag here forming. We can see here we have the pole, and here we have the flag forming. So right here we have this zone right here. So we might go a little bit for another dip down to the $99,000 for Bitcoin. It's not unlikely, and after start our move to the upside. Let's see what will happen. For now, it's very important that we stay at least above this zone right here, so we don't go lower. If we break from this zone, we will probably go back to the $74,000, which none of us want to happen. But now let's talk about something more positive, and that is Vechain. We can add more to our position at a lower price, which is quite nice right now. Let's go right here. Let's open a new Vechain position. Actually, here on the spot market, let's do 40,000 more Vechain, open long, order placed, and it will probably open right now. The price spiked a little bit just this second, but I'm gonna open even more because I'm quite bullish on Vechain. Let's see if we can open more. Order placed, so we open some more. We are also bringing our entry price lower with that, and also we're adding more margin. I'm already $150 into this trade, so let's see. Now we are down $32. Yesterday we were up $50. So you can see crypto market is very volatile, so you need to be very careful with altcoin trades, especially also with Bitcoin and Ethereum, but with altcoins even more because they are very volatile. And Vechain, I've saw some news that they have launching a new update with the VTOR network. So quite nice news. Maybe we'll get a pump with this update. Let's see if yes or no. I'm probably gonna add some more. You can see my margin now almost $190. Now let's add some more to this trade because I'm quite bullish on Vechain. Here another trade for Vechain, confirm. Awesome. Now let's look a little bit at Uniswap and see if should I close my trade or not. Let's look at it. For now, doesn't look so good, I have to say. Unfortunately, here on daily we can see we have this resistance here. Also on the 4-hourly we have exactly this line here. We can see it from this zone down here. So we need to break above this area. But what else can we spot in this formation here? Let's zoom in a little bit more and take our brush tool here, and we can see here we have one shoulder, one head, and here another shoulder forming. You could even say this is the shoulder. So let's see. So once we will break out of the zone right here, Uni might go to, let's measure this out. So usually we take the base of the head and shoulders and we move it to the breakout point, and we can see if or when Uniswap will break out of this zone right here. The next price target is $9. Quite epic for Uniswap. Let's see what will happen in the upcoming days. Now it's just Tuesday, so we have a whole week ahead of us, full of trading, full of new updates. I think today we even have some important updates from the government in the US. So let's see what will happen later today. For now, let's also take a look at Ethereum. What's happening here? And we can see on Ethereum also a little bit of a inverse head and shoulders right here, guys. We can see with the baseline here, and it tried to break out of here, but it didn't do that, unfortunately. So let's see if it will manage to. If we take it actually from this zone, we might even have a breakout here, and now we're just consolidating and getting ready for a move to the upside. Now let's see what the altcoins are doing here. Everything is slightly down today because Bitcoin is going down, so doesn't really matter which altcoins to look. Most of them are in the red a little bit, so maybe we can see some opportunities to buy. But right now I already have 4 trades open, and I would recommend you don't have more than 5 trades open. If you're not a professional, I would do even just 1 trade. Focus on one trading pair, learn this trading pair, learn the moves, learn how it reacts to Bitcoin, or just trade Bitcoin at the beginning. This is much easier. If you're not a trader, just do the dollar cost average method and accumulate more Bitcoin. Then Bitcoin will go to $1 million per coin very soon in the next upcoming years. Now RSI slightly going down for Ethereum. We might get another opportunity to buy some more. Let's see, I already have order set here at 2400. I hope this will get hit, and from this we might see this kind of move. We are going here to this zone and then back up. Next price target would be here at 2687, and after that the next one would be at around $2,900. Nice for Ethereum. Let's see when this will happen. This was it for today's video. Thank you all for watching. If you want to trade like you see me do, join down below in the description. You have the WEEX platform here. This is one of my favorite exchanges. You can go down below. You don't need they don't have any KYC. They are very free to use. You can use it worldwide. They have over 500 trading pairs, amazing liquidity, and it's one of my favorite platforms. And down below you also get a $30,000 bonus if you sign up with my link. So make sure you take advantage of this opportunity. And as always, guys, don't forget to take profits.